Hello friends and welcome to Healthy Lifestyle channel. Today's video topic is about foods that can help to regulate cortisol, stress hormone. First, ashwagandha, a herb traditionally used in Ayurveda. Ashwagandha helps reduce cortisol levels and enhances resilience to stress. Second, tulsi. Tulsi tea or leaves work as natural adaptogens, calming the nervous system and balancing stress hormone. Third, maca root powder. UN superfood. Maca root supports adrenal health, stabilizes mood, and regulates cortisol. Fourth, chia seeds, rich in omega 3s and antioxidants. Chia seeds lower inflammation and help to manage stress, induce cortisol spikes. Fifth, reishi mushrooms, known as the mushroom of immortality. Reishi has adaptogenic properties that support cortisol regulation and better sleep. Sixth, pumpkin seeds, packed with magnesium and zinc. Pumpkin seeds help to lower cortisol and improve nervous system function. Seventh, seaweed, high in iodine and minerals. Seaweed supports thyroid and adrenal health, both closely linked to cortisol balance. Eighth, goji berries. These antioxidant-rich berries reduce oxidative stress and support hormonal balance, helping keep cortisol in check.